Admins can track planning progress by viewing each planning unit's assignments, status, and comments. They can also bulk assign planning units to users with ease. Using familiar tools like dashboards and Excel-style grids, admins can view, analyze, and mass update drivers and planning items across the entire enterprise, or at any level of the planning unit hierarchy. In this example, we're looking at hourly employee data for all operations. From here, an admin has options to use the spreadsheet-style editor to make updates directly in OneStream, use the bulk update feature to mass update attributes one attribute at a time, or export to Excel, make changes there, and re-import. When it's time to refresh actuals for a forecast or seed plans from one to another, admins can do it in just a few clicks, again, at any level of the unit hierarchy. Admins can also manage and configure system setting elements like time profiles, planning units and currencies, security and users, items, planning profiles, and more, using a consistent, intuitive interface. Tools like Edit, Copy, Spreadsheet-style Edit, Bulk Update, and File Import-Export make configuration efficient and accessible. And coming soon, full REST API support will allow finance teams to automate master data and control table management, minimizing IT involvement. Revfore Flex is built to empower finance teams, not burden them with technical complexity. End users can manage and update their plans efficiently using a range of intuitive tools. Users can update status and comments of their assigned planning units, making it easy to track progress and collaborate. From any summary value in a queue view, users can drill down to the underlying plan item activities. Users can then drill into the contributing plan items to gain further insights. Users can efficiently manage their planning items with a range of intuitive actions. Add, copy, edit, or bulk update items. Export items to Excel and import them back in. Work with stage data and decide which items to promote to their working plan. Transfer items between planning units, either entirely or by specific periods. View all activities tied to an item, adjust drivers and amounts, and see the impact immediately. Modify detailed attributes like distribution codes and formulas. Override period values using fixed amounts or percentages. View a full breakdown of how each period value is calculated. Users can also assign and reassign plans. Add or remove planning sections, views, and columns. Refresh actuals for forecasts. Reset plans or seed them from templates or other plans. Export the entire plan to Excel for offline review. Just like admins, users can leverage the planning unit hierarchy to manage data and conduct analysis. They can jump between levels or members of the hierarchy and quickly gain insights by comparing the results displayed in dashboards or cube views. With these capabilities, end users can confidently take ownership of their planning process from start to finish. Revfore Flex isn't just for finance. It can be extended into operations and other areas of the business. Admins can create simplified, tailored planning experiences for non-financial users by enabling simple mode for an intuitive, streamlined interface, assigning security groups to show only relevant planning sections, hiding sections, views, and columns that don't apply to specific planning units, presetting default planning drivers to reduce complexity for users, applying dimension member constraints to limit selections to only valid options. These capabilities make it easy to engage anyone involved in the planning process, regardless of their role or area of expertise.